Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on connecting Snowflake to Power BI. In this video, we will cover steps to create a warehouse database schema and a table in a Snowflake and insert records and then connect into the Power BI. Let's get started. So first, log in into your Snowflake account. Once you logged in, let's create necessary components. First, we will create our data warehouse. Like you can see the comments here. So this is the basic syntax for creating data warehouse. As you can see, it was created my warehouse. Then let's create database, my database, and then schema, and then create a table. I have created table like ID column with auto increment and a name field with string type and created another column with current timestamp, making ID as primary key. Let's get create. Let me refresh. As you can see, my schema and the table, my table. Let's into insert records into the my table. Seems like an issue. Let's rerun it. See, you can see inserted 10 rows. Let's do a select star. As you can see, the ID column has auto increment and the name and they created as current timestamp. So now let's get into the Power BI. As you can see, I have opened on Power BI desktop. Just a few seconds to loading the app. This is the dashboard of the Power BI. Let's click on the blank report and in select the option get data. Click on more options. This is the file option where we can use as sources files as XML, CSV and our database Snowflake. Let's do connect. The server name. The server name means nothing but our IP address name. Let's dig into that. In the account section, on our account we have a link URL. So copy that link. So we don't need this HTML. We can remove that. The warehouse name. Let's get into our worksheets. So this is my warehouse name. Click on OK. Here we need to give a password. Let's give our password and username. As you can see, it is connected to my warehouse. In our database and in my schema and my table is present. Let's load into that. We can use import query. it's getting loaded into the dashboard, and that's it. Under my, we can select the columns like my id column and a name. We can use the graphs plus clustered graphs, stacked bar graph, whatever conform visualization we need. And that's it. We have successfully created Snowflake to Power BI. You can now create your reports, dashboards using the data in your Snowflake database. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, subscribe. More videos. Thanks for watching.